Welcome to the Drawing and Documenting Architecture Projects course with Rayon. My name is Thomas Rowntree. I'm an architectural designer, content creator, and aspiring architect, and I will be your instructor for this course. The tutorial series will show you how to create an architecture project from the initial stages of site analysis, referencing, and inspiration to massing, zoning, and initial concept sketching, all the way through to the final production of your portfolio or presentation, all within Rayon. The course is built upon a real-life scenario project built step by step in Rayon with 12 lessons. So the 12 lessons are broken down into 4 modules. Module 1 is focused on the pre-design phase, dissecting and analysing the project brief, looking at the local vernacular, site analysis, the immediate and wider context that will influence the design process. Module 2 is focused on translating that project brief into an efficient design solution. We start developing and exploring massing options, exploring zoning and defining some areas that respond to the site conditions, the site constraints and opportunities, and working with the landscape in order to start finding some form and geometry that responds to that initial project brief. This is a process of iterating a mass and some form in order to respond to the client requirements. Module 3 is focused on producing the architectural drawings, building upon that zoning and the massing in order to start defining an actual floor plan, dropping furniture and building layouts into the floor plans, elevations and sections. And finally, module 4 will take you through the process of producing a final documentation, collating all of your drawings, implementing a graphic style, and putting together a final professional presentation. So who is this course for? Is probably what you're wondering. This course is relevant for you at any stage of your architecture education, whether you're literally just starting out in architecture and you're very much a beginner, whether you're a few years in, or whether you're very close to becoming an architect. If you're seeking the best practices of architectural project documentation from the very early stages of massing all the way through to schematic design, this course is for you. Our goal is to teach you as many skills as possible, both relevant to the Rayon software itself, but also the journey of your architecture education. I hope to teach you how to turn an idea into a design scheme, how to draft accurately, quickly and efficiently in Rayon, how to level up the aesthetics and communication of your drawings, and lay out a complete document set and put together a professional presentation. And all you'll need to start this course is an internet connection and a Rayon account, which you can sign up for free. Throughout the course, you will have access to a range of material and templates that you can use throughout your design process and be able to implement in your projects throughout Rayon. So feel free to dive into lesson 1 or browse the lesson playlist to choose a topic from the various modules that are available. So without further ado, let's dive into it.